ES 11 to 15 PM Battery Efficiency Pop-up Adapter Operation Guide iPhone iOS version 18.1 Battery capacity 86%. Shut down the phone and remove the battery. Connect to FC01 with a data cable. Then connect the flex cable of the pop-up adapter to the adapter and the battery socket of the phone. Pop-up adapter FPC soldering diagram is as follows. Buckle the battery on corresponding socket of the adapter. Click Modify. Then click Edit. After modifying the required battery efficiency or cycle times, click Yes. Click Confirm. Click Start. Connect mobile phone to computer with a data cable to boot it up. Click Aweshine on Aweshine Assistant platform. Click Repair Battery Health. Select Auto Flash. Wait for the flash to complete. It reminds us to exit the current mode manually. Exit the current mode manually. Operation steps. Click Volume Plus, then click Volume, and then long press the power button until the screen lights off. Waiting for flashing. Battery health is repaired successfully. Boot up the phone to check. Battery capacity has been repaired successfully.